Hey guys, welcome to our How to Brew video. Today I'm going to show you how you can make Bizzy cold brew using our brew bags from the comfort of your own home. So let's get started. You'll want to do 2 brew bags into this glass pitcher or any pitcher of your choice really, and then you'll want to add 4 cups of water to your brew bags. Alright, so we're going to start by adding 4 cups of water to our brew bags. So here's the first 2 and the next 2. You don't always have to use a pitcher. You can also use our brew bags in a mason jar or really just anything that you prefer to make your cold brew in. I'm just gonna take a long spoon and kind of push my brew bags down into this just because my pitcher is kind of a strange shape. So now what you're gonna wanna do is let this sit for 14 to 20 hours at room temperature. If you do prefer to put your cold brew in the fridge, you can do so, just add a few more hours to that to just make sure that it brews correctly. All right, so we're gonna let this sit and then we'll come check on it in the morning. Okay, so it's been about 18 hours since we made our cold brew, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna pull these bags out. To get the cold brew out of the glass pitcher, I like to use the same long stirrer that I use to kind of push them down with. So let's get them out of there. And we'll pull our second one out. So now that you have your brew bags out, this is actually the cold brew concentrate. So we're gonna wanna add 3 cups of water to this before we drink it. So let's add 3 cups. All right, so now we have our cold brew officially ready to drink. So let's get a glass and add some ice and enjoy. Our cold brew is ready to enjoy. You can add creamer or whatever you like to your cold brew, or you can just drink it plain like I like to do. You can keep your pitcher at room temperature or you can store it in the fridge.